I'm counting down 7 science-backed benefits of humble rosemary leaves, so you can decide if it deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. 1. Memory and focus. That piney scent isn't just vibes. Aroma compounds like 1,8-cineol may help with alertness and recall. Try a few fresh leaves by your desk or a gentle diffuser while you study. 2. Natural antioxidant support. Rosemary is loaded with rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid that help fight everyday oxidative stress. I toss a pinch into roasted veggies or tea to boost flavor and protection. 3. Digestive comfort. A simple rosemary tea after a heavy meal can feel soothing. Traditionally, it's used to ease bloating, support bile flow, handy when dinner was ambitious. 4. Hair and scalp care. Rosemary-infused oil massages can support scalp circulation, reduce dandruff. Some small studies suggest it rivals common hair tonics over time. Go gentle, use a carrier oil, and be consistent. 5. Microbe fighter. Its essential oils show antimicrobial properties. That's why rosemary is a classic in marinades. It can help keep food fresher while adding flavor. 6. Mood lift. The aroma can feel energizing and reduce perceived fatigue. I like a quick sniff before workouts or midday slumps. 7. Heart and metabolic support. Early research links rosemary's compounds with healthier lipids and blood sugar balance when part of a good diet. Not a miracle, just a helpful herb in your toolkit. Quick how-to. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary or a few fresh sprigs in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, sip, and don't overdo it. Strong is not better. Bottom line. Use rosemary for flavor, first benefit second. Simple, aromatic, and easy to stick with. What benefit are you trying it for?